If your life feels messy right now, you're not alone. Your days feel rushed, your mind feels crowded, and no matter how busy you stay, nothing feels truly under control. The problem isn't that you're doing too little. It's that you're doing too much without structure. In 2026, chaos doesn't come from laziness. It comes from noise, distraction, and unprotected time. This routine isn't about fixing everything overnight. It's about creating order where your life feels scattered, one small reset at a time. 1. Messy lives need fewer decisions, not more motivation. Decision fatigue drains your energy before noon. A simple routine removes unnecessary choices. Less thinking creates more clarity. 2. Your morning sets the tone for your mental space. A rushed start creates mental clutter. A calm first 10 minutes brings control. Order begins before the world interrupts you. 3. Structure creates freedom, not restriction. When time has boundaries, stress reduces. You stop reacting and start directing your day. Structure gives your mind room to breathe. 4. Small resets are more powerful than big plans. Cleaning one surface, finishing one task, or planning 1 hour matters. Tiny resets stop chaos from spreading. Progress feels possible again. 5. Consistency cleans up life faster than intensity. You don't need extreme discipline. You need repeatable habits that survive bad days. Consistency slowly turns mess into momentum. A messy life doesn't mean you're failing. It means your systems no longer match your reality. When you simplify your routine, your mind follows. You don't fix chaos by doing everything. You fix it by doing the right small things. Every day, start this routine today, and let your life settle into clarity, calm, and control.